Well, that's unusual. We get Halloween Jack in May. Mavdoc managed to spawn Halloween Jack, Pumpkin Jack. Where is he? He's off the screen. There. Just about managed to reach. No, where? Ah! Can't reach. It's off the screen. Yep, there. Get back in again. A bit Sinful has returned as the blender, a Sinful blender. And Jack is almost gone. Well, bigger woo! Someone get Jack a breath mint. Pawned. Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Mavdoc, my game locked up. That was something. Bruh.